Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing really well. Today I'm going to be talking about the #1 most powerful Neville Goddard quote that when I listen to it, it instantly snaps me back into the state of the wish fulfilled. I'm going to be talking about that in this video. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things self-development, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. At your command, on page 7, Neville Goddard writes, "If you are dissatisfied with your present expression in life, the only way to change it is to take your attention away from that which seems so real to you and rise in consciousness to that which you desire to be. You cannot serve two masters. Therefore, to take your attention from one state of consciousness and place it upon another is to die to one and to live in another." That is really powerful for me. Listen, we all understand the law of assumption in theory. We manifest in the morning, we manifest at nighttime. But the thing about the law of assumption is that you need to be assuming moment to moment. And that's pretty difficult when you're at a job that you hate, or you're in the circumstances that you hate, or you don't have a text from someone that you want to have a text from, or whatever it is, you're not seeing the money in your bank account, or something is staring at you right in the face, and we go into this automatic zone of checking for results or asking an outer source of what am I doing wrong, or asking for advice from someone, or going on YouTube and asking, tarot cards what you should do, or what he thinks about me. Pick a card on YouTube. I see you. And I totally understand the need to do that. However, when we keep that quote in our mind and truly understand it, that we can't serve two masters. We can't manifest one thing and be in one state and then keep looking back and checking our present moment. The present moment has nothing to do with you. You are looking straight ahead on the straight and narrow. You're not looking on the side, or you're damn sure not looking behind you. And so when we look behind us, we stop that manifestation that we want from happening, because you're essentially confessing to yourself that you're not in that space. We want to make it seem, or not even seem, we want to make it natural. Whatever we want is here right now. If you want that SP, it's natural for you to have him in your life right now. And so you're not going to be checking, what is he thinking of me, or questioning, why isn't he texting me? Because in your current state right now, you have that person. So you don't need to check. And so when we keep reminding ourselves that we can't be a master to two realities, we have to pick, but we can't be in the middle serving two. It's impossible. So you need to make a conscious decision. Which one do you want to pick? Do you want to pick your current reality that you're in right now, or do you want to pick your future? Do you want to pick what you want? Do you want to work towards your goal? And it's not even a goal, because as you make that conscious decision, and all you have to do is do it once in one moment, and that's it. It is done. You are not looking back anymore. You're not checking the 3D for results. If you want to be a famous YouTuber, you're not looking at how many subscribers you're getting or how many views you're getting. If you want to go viral on TikTok, you're not checking every single day how many views your videos have gotten. You need to decide, where do you want to be? Do you want to be where you are right now, or do you want to be in the state of the person that has the things that they want, but you don't want it because you have it right now? Listen, it needs to be a natural thing. The moment you know and feel and believe to your inner core that you have this thing right now, that's when it happens. That's when it works for you. I would go into this spiral of like, what is this person thinking of me? And that's confessing to yourself, your higher self, or the universe, that you don't have that thing right now. What is a person thinking that already has that SP? You're not going to be checking pick a card readings. So you have to be so confident that you have this thing right now and keep persisting in that moment to moment to moment. And the thing that helps me as well is if I'm caught in like thinking that I don't have this thing, I just stop myself and say, cancel all negative thought. I have this thing right now. It's mine. I'm so happy. And then pick one feeling, at least one feeling that will elicit that feeling of me having that thing or that person, right? So whenever I remind myself that you can't be a master to two realities or two states, that's when I'm like, I'm picking one. I would always ask for outer advice from other people, from tarot readers, from anywhere basically, and I would be so unconfident. But it really is whatever you say it is. And this quote, and I've only just started reading Neville Goddard, and when I started reading Neville Goddard, I'm telling you, I used to be addicted to checking horoscopes. I haven't, like, ever since reading that specific quote. This is how powerful this quote is. Or even when you're like, oh my god, but it's taking so long. What do you mean, what's taking so long? You have this thing right now. The moment you stop checking for time, stop looking at circumstances, stop checking the 3D, stop looking for outer validation, and feel it in your entire being, in your entire soul. And that sounds very complicated, but it isn't. Your inner being knows the best way to do this and to go about this, and so it may sound super complicated, but it's really not. Your one job is to feel the naturalness of it right now. If you're having moments of doubt here and there, that's fine. We're practicing every single moment, moment to moment. Neville Goddard wasn't, you know, a pro at this. So we are practicing every single day. So cut yourself some slack, but also know that you are manifesting every single moment, and it's not just vain assumptions and vain affirmations. It's literally you feeling the naturalness of you having what you want. And that literally has no choice but to form into reality. And so you can't be a master of your past self, meaning what you're in right now. What you're in right now is your past. It's done. It's a past manifestation, over, done with, been there, done that, old news, old reality, don't know her, don't care about her. We are in the present tense, and the present tense is me having what I want. It's me being the person that I want to be. So I hope that this quote helped you and has motivated you. I don't want to see you on those tarot readings again, alright? I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!